Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Electrical. Due to much busy routine, I was away from my YouTube channel. So hope that after this I will be in touch with my YouTube channel. I will teach you some new concepts. If you want to ask any question, you can ask me downside in the comment section. And if you need to discuss any topic, so comment downside. I will teach you in clear way. Today we will discuss about star delta starter. As we know that some industrial motor we want to start in different ways. One is direct online and another is star delta starter method. The star delta starter method, why we use this star delta starter method for some reasons, and these reasons we will discuss today in this topic. Star delta starter. As we know that in starting the motor draw more current, and that current we call inrush current. So you see here motor in starting condition draw more current, which is called inrush current. For example, we have a motor of 10 kilowatt and the rated voltage, the rated current of that motor is 13 to 15 ampere. So in starting, when we applying voltage to that motor to start that motor, so that motor will draw more current, means 4 to 5 times of the rated current. When that 4 to 5 times of the rated current, that current will be around 50 to 60 ampere in starting up motor. Because if the motor's rated current is 13 to 15, so 4 to 5 times the rated current will be around 50 to 60 ampere. So to avoid this inrush current, we need to use star delta starter. This star delta starter we use for the purpose to avoid inrush current, so that in starting the motor draw less current. After some time, due to timer, it automatically change to delta, and then motor continuously running in delta condition. As we see here, means this is the winding up motor. So if the rated current is 13 to 15 ampere, and in starting the motor draws more current, which is 4 to 5 times of the rated current, so it will be 50 to 60 ampere. So automatically this winding will not bear such a high current and it will automatically burn. So therefore we use star delta starter to avoid inrush current. For example, we have 3-phase motor winding. This winding we name U, V and W. This side we name U1, V1, W1. This side U1, U2, V2 and W2. If we connect this one side with each other or this side with each other, so it will become a star connection. If we connect this side with each other, so from this side we will apply voltage, and if we connect this side with each other, so from this side we will apply voltage, and this is star connection. And as we know, if we want to connect delta connection, so it will be from end to end connection, like this and this will be connected to this, so it will be delta connection. If we see in practical, there will be 3 connection outside like this from a motor. So if this is connected like this, so it will be star, and connect like this, so it will be delta connection. Here you see same like delta, this is delta connection, 3 windings red, and this is the end, so end will be connect with yellow with another winding, and same like this blue is connecting with another winding, and red will connect here, not on same side, but the first end will be the second start, and the second end will be third start, and the third end will be the first start. Which components we will use in star delta starter? The component which we will use in star delta starter is the timer, overload relay, main contactor, delta contactor and start contactor. Remaining we will use push buttons for controlling, means for on, up, etc. This is we have contactor, main contactor, star contactor and delta contactor. In start, our motor will start in star, and after it, due to timer install, already timer installed in the circuit, so after some time it will automatically convert to delta. See here it will start in star connection, because in start motor always draw less current as compared to delta. You can see here start motor in main and start contactor after due to installation of timer, it automatically convert to delta and it will continuously run in delta. We have different stages. As we know, we have different stages in start delta starter. Means in start, our start delta starter is off. In second stage, it will main will on and start contactor will on. In third stage, main will on and star and delta will be up. In fourth stage, main and delta will be on and star will be up. This is the final stage where motor will continuously run in a delta connection. The main purpose of using star delta is to avoid inrush current, because if in industry we have too much appliances installed online, means in one line we have too much motors, another motor means too much. If we start all these motors in one time, so it will defect line, because it will draw more current. And if we start one by one but start this in delta, so it will also draw more current. So therefore we will start motor one by one and we'll start in Y and then we'll convert to delta. This was our today's topic as we discussed, and I tried my best to clear your concept on this topic. If you today I discuss all this video in English because many of my friends comment downside in comment section to provide subtitles in English, so therefore I try my best to teach you in English. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.